Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about multimedia tools and application. Section 1, which is organizing, managing and presenting information using essential productivity. We know in our modern world, computers are everywhere, even in places you might not even expect. Some are more obvious, such as laptops and desktop computers. Others are obviously electronic, but you might not have thought of them as computers, like the smartphone, TVs, and video games. Some are completely hidden from view to the point where you must not even know they were there at all. So at the end of this lesson, we're going to explore what computers are, focusing on their hardware and software components. You will also learn about word processing applications, which are necessary for creating documents like the books you read. Again, we will study about how to use these document creation tools effectively to produce, edit, and format text, helping you to create professional looking documents. Understanding these basics is a key to navigating the digital world efficiently, enhancing both your academic and personal life. So we say a computer is an electronic device that is designed to process data stored in its memory. So the term computer is derived from the Latin term computer, which means to calculate or programmable machine. A computer cannot do anything without a program. That is a set of instructions. A computer has the ability to accept data, that is the input, process the data, and then output the results. A computer has many uses. It can be used for word processing, graphic design, gaming, teaching using slides, then also used for bookkeeping, and as well as surfing the internet. So please, from here, I want you to think about what computers are used for in your everyday life. Write as many examples as you can, then share your findings in the comment section. I will be waiting for it. Thank you. So let's go. There are two main parts of a computer, that is the hardware and the software. So the hardware, do you know that the first point of physical contact you can have with any computer system is the hardware? Yes, the hardware you can see, you can touch it, you can hold it. Yes, that's what is called the hardware. The computer hardware is any physical device or component used in or with a computer system. So the computer hardware can be classified as external and internal. The external hardware, they are devices located outside the computer, like we have the keyboard, we have the scanner, the microphone, we have the mouse. Yes, and the other one is the internal hardware device. They are any hardware that is located inside the computer. We have the motherboard, we have the ROM, which is the read-only memory, we have memory card, we have the hard disk, we have the random access memory, we have optical discs. All these can be found inside the computer, especially when we open the system unit, it can be found in it. Let's go to the software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a specific task. Computer software runs on hardware, and there are two main types of computer software, that is the system software and the application software. So let's delve into the application software. The application software is a program designed to carry a specific task other than one relating to the operating of the computer or device itself. Example like the spreadsheet program, we have the database management system, a web processor, and a game program. And so a system software are computer programs designed to run computers, hardware, and application software and make the computer system available for use. The main types of system software are operating systems, and device drivers, and utility programs. So let's go to the operating system. The OS is the software that lies between the application software and the computer hardware, as shown here. Yes, it lies between the application software and the hardware. So here is the operating system. It's the main system software, and a computer will not function without it. The OS also provides the user with the ability to interact with the computer, such as managing the display of icons on the desktop and relating when a user double click on an icon. Example is like the Mac OS. Yes, then we have the Microsoft Windows, the Linux, we have the Apple, we have the Android, the iOS. All of them are example of the OS. So let's go to the device driver. It is a program that is designed to control a particular hardware device that is attached to a computer. Example is like the USB driver, we have the display driver, printer driver. And let's go to the utility software. It's a program that helps us set up, analyze, configure, improve and maintain a computer system. Example is that it's like the antivirus programs, backup programs, and disk cleanup tools. So in conclusion, a computer system needs both hardware and software to function properly. Hardware needs software to tell it what to do, but software also needs hardware in order to act out its directions. Yes, thank you. This is the end of our lesson today. Our next lesson, we are going to delve much into it. This is the end of the lesson today. This is part 1 of our lesson. Our next lesson, we are going to delve much into it to know how we are going to use the computer to create documents. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.